I'd say there's probably three areas that I'm most excited about when it comes to new technologies and what it means for the real estate industry. The first one, we can't ignore it. It has to be generative AI. Generative AI is doing amazing things in the industry that can help companies identify where they should be building, being able to run a lot of different scenarios to say, hey, does this make sense from a spatial planning perspective? Does it make sense from a financial perspective? All the way through to actually helping to design and do the engineering of buildings, which is still in early stages, but is only going to get better and better and better and smarter. So much happening in generative AI, and of course, even just being able to produce great quality images to give a sense of what something might look like from a design perspective and storyboarding. Great things there. The second technology we have to talk about is spatial computing. If you think about the Apple Vision Pro headset, where you put something on. A lot of people are very tired of hearing about the metaverse, and the metaverse isn't going to be a thing, etc. Within real estate development, we've been working in the metaverse for a long time because we create places in 3D in a digital way before we actually build them. So there's a lot that's that's already happening there with digital twins as well. I'm just throwing some buzzwords for people to Google, definitely Google and familiarize yourself with these things. And the third arena is around robotics. And as I said, a lot of technology adoption in real estate has been at that white collar ivory tower level. But when it comes to actual construction, there's amazing things happening in robotics there, where workers can put on an exoskeleton, for example, so that can save them with when they're doing manual labor, actually support them in doing that. 3D printing has had incredible advancements, and we're seeing towers being built, we're seeing homes being built at scale. We're even seeing prototypes of, and this is a real one, look it up, of 3D printing for homes and habitats on the moon and Mars. And that's a serious one. That's using moon dust and Martian dust, which is kind of crazy.
That's incredibly crazy and interesting. I've been following those guys. The name of the company is called Icon.
Correct.
And it's absolutely amazing what's happening, how fast we're building homes. Like the solution for homelessness and other things of that nature is right around the corner. It's very interesting, but continue.
So I suppose those are three big arenas that we're seeing a lot happening. Generative AI, spatial computing, robotics. Super exciting to see the impact that these emerging technologies are going to have on the future of real estate.